Hi there, in this tutorial we will learn the use of Liquefy tool in Adobe Photoshop. This is an amazing thing, and with this Liquefy tool you can cut the fat, you can build muscles, and you can do many things else with an amazing tool called Liquefy tool. So let's take a look. At first we have to open our exercise file, so you just have to click the file menu, open option, and inside our selection and masking folder you will get this Omen exercise physical image. You have to select this image and then click on open option. So here is the image, and we will reduce the fat part in here. So before doing that we have to duplicate this layer. Therefore you just have to right click on here, and here is the duplicate layer option, and let me write Liquefy. Okay, and I'm clicking OK. So make sure this Liquefy layer is selected, and then we will click this filter menu. So here is the filter menu, and here is the Liquefy options. You just have to click on here. So here is the tab for using Liquefy tool. So if you want to reduce the fat from this belly, in that case we have to use this forward warp tool. So you have to select this forward warp tool, and let's increase the size of brush. So here is the parameter for increasing the size of brush. I think 70 pixel will be good. Okay, so you just have to use your mouse to reduce fat. You just have to push inside here. You can take a look. You can take a look. Okay, looks good. So you can take a look that the fat already gone, and this called fat cutter. But I think the percentage of smoothness is not done equally, so we want to make this more smooth. Therefore we have to use the smooth tools. So here is the smooth tools. You have to click on here. Let me click on smooth tool, and let me reduce the brush size. I think 70 pixel will be good. Okay, so you can take a look now. It really looks much better than before, and it really makes smooth. So this is the actual use of Liquefy tool, and it's really awesome. And you already have a view that how you will cut the fat from a stomach or from a belly, and that's really awesome. So let me click on OK. So let's take a look before and after image. You just have to turn off this Liquefy layer. Okay, this is the before, and after using the Liquefy, this is the after. Fat, no fat, fat, fat cutter. Okay, cool. So we just learned how you will cut the fat by using Liquefy tool, and right now we will learn how to build muscles using Liquefy tool. So right now we have to open our exercise file to show you how you will build muscle with the Liquefy tool. So let me open our exercise file, and inside the selection and masking folder you will get this shirtless image. You just have to select this shirtless image, and you just have to click open option. So here is our image, and we will build a muscle in this arm. So before doing that we have to duplicate this layer. You just have to right click on here. Here is the duplicate layer option, and let me write liquefy. Okay, and I'm writing okay. Looks good. Please make sure this liquefy layer is selected, and then we have to click this filter menu, and here is the liquefy option. Previously we used forward wrap tool and smooth tool, but right now we will use this blot tool, and this blot tool will help us out to build muscles. So let me select this blot tool, and at first I want to make a bicep here. Okay, looks good. And right now we will make a tricep on his arm. Let's make the tricep. Okay, you can take a look. He have a good bicep and he have a good tricep. So this is the use of blot tool under liquefy tool. And here is a reconstruct tool. If you click on this reconstruct tool, and if you move your cursor on here, then it will be reconstruct like before. So this is actually, you can call this reconstruct tool as a undo tool. So we want to get back, so I'm pressing Ctrl Z or Command Z. Okay, you can take a look. This young man have a strong arm, and let me click OK, and here is the image, and let me turn off the liquefy layers. Here is the before and here is the after. Here he don't have any strong biceps or triceps, and after using the liquefy tool he have a strong bicep and he have a strong tricep. So this is how you will use the liquefy tool on Adobe Photoshop. So if you have any question, then you can write in our comment box. So see you in next lesson. Tata.